Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SemaConnect for managed EV charging, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with SemaConnect for managed EV charging, begin by visiting the SemaConnect website. Navigate to the account registration section, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign Up or Register button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password that meets the site's security requirements. After entering your information, carefully review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms, confirming that you understand and accept them. Proceed by clicking the Create Account or Submit button. Check your email for a verification message from SemaConnect. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the SemaConnect website and log into your new account. Navigate to the settings or dashboard area of your account. Locate the section for adding or managing charging stations. Select the option to add a charging station and provide the necessary details, including location, power level, and any other specifications. Review the information for accuracy before submitting it. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation that your station is being processed. Monitor your account for updates regarding the status of your charging station registration. After approval, familiarize yourself with the management tools available in your account. Explore features such as usage analytics, pricing settings, and customer access options. By following these steps, you will successfully register with SemaConnect for managed EV charging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.